Good evening, everyone. It is December 15, 2016. We are doing another Contours 2-box break, number 23 of 15-16 Upper Deck. So let's roll the dice. See how many times we randomize the names and the teams, so good luck. 4 and a 2 equals 6. 4 and a 2 equals 6. So 6 times on the names, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final time, good luck. So that is 6 times. Let's check the dice roller. 4 and a 6, yes. So Dave at the top, Mike K at the bottom. Now 6 times on the teams, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final time, good luck. Alrighty, so there it is, 6. Florida up top, Buffalo at the bottom. So there it is. Dave gets the Panthers, Mark C gets the Capitals as well as the Blue Jackets, JD gets the Leafs, Mike Kuntz gets the Coyotes, JD gets the Canadians, Grant gets the Detroit Red Wings, JD gets my Los Angeles Kings, as well as the Jets, Blackhawks, Ducks. Aaron B gets the Devils, JD gets the Canucks, Grant gets the Stars and the Senators, David H gets the Flames, JD gets the Lightning, Islanders, Sharks, Avalanche, and the Blues. So let's scroll down. Aaron gets the Flyers, Dave gets the Wild, JD gets the Penguins, Bruins, and the Edmonton Oilers. Congrats, JD. Mark C gets the Rangers, Aaron B gets the Hurricanes, and Mike Kuntz ends it off with the Predators and Sabres. So I'm going to pause the video if you guys want to make any trades. I'm going to go print out the sheet, and we'll get this game going. Welcome back, everyone. There was one trade. It was a 2-team trade for 1. JD trades his Avalanche to Grant. So as you can see, Grant now has the Avalanche. He traded the Senators and Stars, and JD has the Stars and Sens. So there are 4 boxes left, as you can see, 3, 5, 6, and 7. So I'm going to use a random generator on random.org to see which boxes we choose to, which 2 boxes are for this break. If numbers do pop out, like number 1, 2, numbers that aren't here, I'll just keep generating until the numbers do pop out. So let's switch screens. There it is right there. There was 8 boxes, 4 left, so let's generate. First one, 3. Box 3 is here. So there's 1. Put that over here. Next one, 8. 8 is not here, so let's do it again. 6. 6 is here. So there it is. We're doing box 6 and box 3. 6 and 3. Box 5 and 7 are going to be for the last 2 boxes of the master case of Contours. That'll be number 24, which is in stores, Jaspy's HobbyLand.com. So let's get this break going. 2-box break of Contours Hockey. First box. And good luck, everyone. Remember, there has been no McDavid's pulled yet. See if he's going to be in these 2 boxes or he's going to be in the last 2 boxes. I know they say it's not guaranteed, but he does pop up most of the time, somehow. Let's make sure this is right. Alrighty. First pack. Alright, first pack. Pacioretty, Tarasenko, Huberdeau, Erickson. See you, Lars. There's the first patch. Show me some glove. Roberto Luongo for the Florida Panthers. Florida Panthers. That's David H. Congrats, David. Rookie resume, Nikolai Golovin. As you can see there, 95 of 99 for the San Jose Sharks. San Jose, that's JD. 1 pack down, Next pack. Next one. Owen Nolan. Anjay Kopitar. Joe Pavelski. Shane Doan. And Jacob De La Rose. Contours rookie. 140 of 199. I like these cards right here. That's Montreal Canadiens. That is JD. Little on-card auto right there. 140 of 199 with the patch. Congrats, JD. Ended off with a blue die cut of Paul Coffey. 233 of 499. Pittsburgh Penguins. That's also JD. All right. One relic, one auto down. Next pack. Aaron Ekblad, Evgeny Malkin, Jeremy Roenick, Sid the Kid. Here's the patch. Club crest. Henrik Samuelsson. Arizona Coyotes. Arizona, that's Mike Kuntz. Mike McCarron, rookie resume. Montreal Canadiens, 145 of 399. Montreal, that's JD. JD wants that JR card. Right there, right?
He's driving an Audi.
Alright, next pack.
He's driving an Audi already.
Nick Foligno. Ryan Kessler. Radim Verbata. Here's the auto. Antoine Bibu. Goalie for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Toronto, that's JD. Ended off with a blue die cut of Daniel Sedin. 288 of 499. Filler. That is the first box. Next box. Hey JD, yesterday, if you look at some of our videos that I did do contours, I pulled a Stolarz auto yesterday. I remember you were talking about him. It came out of contours as well. So number 24 is in the store, guys. JaspysHockeyLand.com. Next box. First pack of the next box. Weak box. Well, let's see if this one's better. Mark Messier, Joe Pavelski, Shane Doan. There's the auto. Daniel Sprong. Contours rookies for the Pittsburgh Penguins. 38 of 499. Pittsburgh, that's JD. PK's younger brother, Malcolm Subban. Goalie for the Bruins. That is 106 of 399. Boston, that's JD as well. Next pack. Patrice Bergeron, Mark Scheifele, Jeremy Roenick, Sid the Kid, Jumbo Fabrics, Nicholas Backstrom for the Washington Capitals. Washington Caps, that's Mike C. Or Mark C, sorry about that, Mark C. He does have the Washington Capitals. Nice, rookie resume, contours, Jack Eichel. 69 of 99. That's Buffalo. That's Mike Kuntz. He killed the Kings yesterday. Next pack. Yeah, JD, right? LOL 69. Alrighty. Logan Couture, James Van Riemsdyk, Henrik Lundqvist. Oh, that was close. Again. So Griffin Reinhart. I thought that was a McDavid for a second. I don't know if he's in this youth movement, though. I'm pretty sure he is. That's 220 of 399. Edmonton Oilers. Griffin Reinhart. That's JD. Red die cut. These are at a 99. Sean Monahan. 59 of 99. Burn that card. It's not a McDavid. Filler. I know it's such a tease. Grant, I will try. It was one more pack, Grant. Last pack, good luck. Marian Hossa, Shea Weber, Jonathan Huberdeau. Here it is. Winnipeg Jets, Nikolai Ehlers. Winnipeg, that's JD. Rookie Jumbo Fabrics. And to end it off, blue die cut, Toronto Maple Leafs, Salming. 33 of 499. Toronto, that's also JD. Alrighty, guys, that's it. No McDavid in these two boxes. So, thank you for everyone that did get into this break. Number 24 is in stores. We'll see if McDavid is in those last two boxes. He hasn't popped up at all in any of the whole master case. So check out the website at jaspyshockeyland.com, and we'll see you next time.